Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick pasta sauce. We'll focus on creating a delicious meal in under 20 minutes, perfect for busy weeknights. The secret lies in using fresh, high-quality ingredients that don't require extensive cooking. We'll start by preparing our aromatics and building a flavorful foundation. This approach ensures maximum taste with minimal effort, making dinner a breeze for everyone. Now, let's build that incredible flavor quickly. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once shimmering, add 2 cloves of finely minced garlic and a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Sauté these aromatics for just about 1 minute until they become wonderfully fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic brown too much, as it can turn bitter. This quick sauté is crucial for a flavorful foundation. Next, it's time for the star of our sauce, the tomatoes. Add 1 28-ounce can of high-quality crushed or diced tomatoes to your pan. Stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh basil, torn, and a half teaspoon of salt, plus a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. This short simmer allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to taste and adjust the seasonings to your liking before serving. Finally, let's bring it all together for a fantastic meal. While your sauce simmers, cook your favorite pasta until it's perfectly al dente. Once drained, add the hot pasta directly into your quick sauce. Toss everything together thoroughly, ensuring every strand is coated in that delicious flavor. If the sauce seems a little thick, add a splash of the reserved pasta water. Serve immediately, garnished with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a few extra basil leaves. Enjoy your homemade, quick pasta sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.